Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create account on bullx.io to trade meme coins. In order to do this, you first need to click on the link that is given in the description so that you would be redirected on this type of page. Now, if you try to create your account on bullx directly, as you can see over here that this person was tried to get into bullx, but now it is saying that you are currently on number this one on the wish list for the early access. So if you directly try to get into bullx account, you won't be able to do so, but if you use the link that is given in the description, you will be redirected on this page where you need to click on the open in web option, or you can even click on this one. That's way you will be redirected in your Telegram mobile application or in your desktop app. And now as you can see that it is saying that congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. So once you see this type of banner over here, you need to simply click on the login button and then click on open link. Once done, you will be redirected on bullx early access where it will take your username. Now you need to press next in the bottom. Then it will ask you to fund your wallet to trade instantly. So if you want to do it, you can do it over here, but you can even do this step later. So I will do it later and click on the start trading option. Once done, you will be landed in your bullx account where you can easily trade meme coins, and this is how you can easily create your account on bullx without the early access or without the access error. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.